my name is Megan with Stickama Wine Company. We're based out of Paso Robles, and today we're pouring Rosé and Orange of Vermentino.
Hi, my name is Arthur Mountain. I'm one of the partners here at Fieldwork in downtown Atascadero. We do various art workshops. Check out our website, fieldworkart.org.
Hi, we're with Paso Olivo. We have award-winning olive oils, balsamics, and spices. We are the most awarded olive oil producer in the United States right now. You can find us downtown Paso Robles and on Vineyard Drive.